Hi everybody, I'm T.
And I'm A.
Today we'll be cooking salmon pasta. This is A's recipe. So tell us about the ingredients.
Alright, we got pineapple, chili flakes, 2 chili, broccolini, cherry tomato, garlic, pasta, and 2 pieces of salmon. So now, first thing you gotta cut cherry tomato in half.
Alright, slice your chilies about half a centimeter wide.
It's up to your liking how you want to cut. Garlic, preferable you cut it into thin slices.
Probably not too thin like the first two slices there.
I will just give you like 2 or 3 garlics. Salmon, you can cut it into pieces, small pieces, into bite pieces.
I think this is a bit too thick, eh?
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Alright, now we gotta boil a pasta. So put 3 tablespoons of salt in your pasta.
Yep, just follow the instruction in the for the pasta.
Yeah, so look at your packet behind, see how long you need to boil your pasta. If it says 10 minutes, so you do 9 minutes. If it says 11 minutes, you do 10 minutes.
Alright.
So first thing first, you gotta put in a bit of olive oil. Now don't make it too hot because you want to throw in the garlic first and you don't want the garlic to be burnt. So cook your garlic.
Yep. Once it started bubbling up a little bit, you can put the chilies.
Chili flakes. And next, chili flakes just give you a bit of spiciness. You can skip if you want to and put in your chili, your fresh chili, and you cook it a bit. Make sure do not burn your garlic. And next, you put in your salmon. And as you can see, T has dropped his salmon. He's picking it up and putting it back.
I'm nervous because you're watching me. Alright, so I'm gonna try and get all sides of the salmon seared.
Yeah, so you want to cook the salmon properly. Okay.
Don't want it to be overcooked though.
And you don't want to toss it too much. So just, be careful because you don't want to have pieces of salmon. You just want to keep the salmon as whole. As you can see, the tossing of tea is beautiful.
First time I was doing that, really. Not bad,
huh? There's a lot of room to improve, mate. Don't worry.
Yeah, thank you very much.
As you can see, some of the salmon has been seared beautifully.
Okay, so now we put in the tomatoes. Alright, so I'm gonna try and sear all sides of the tomato a little bit.
Yeah, so your cherry tomato will produce a bit of liquid, so don't worry about the liquid for this dish. You will get liquid.
Yeah, and we don't want to overcook the tomato. We want it to have that fresh tasting tomatoes still.
Yeah. So next, you put in your broccolini.
And your pine nuts.
So now, people have different opinion how to cook the broccolini, but I want it to be more crunchy. So that's why I toss it in together with the salmon.
You mean the pine nuts?
And the pine nuts. And the cherry tomato.
Yeah, so we're gonna try and cover all sides of the broccolini with some of the juice and the oil from the previous ingredients.
Now people will be asking, there is no liquid. Don't worry, you will get liquid.
We're gonna make you wet, don't worry.
That's right.
So we're gonna use the water from the pasta water. It's gonna be about 3/4 of a cup.
Yeah, so you don't have to put any salt in this dish. The salt is coming from the pasta water.
Yeah, remember we put 3 tablespoons of salt before?
Yep. Here you go, guys. So we are putting at least, did you say 3/4?
Yeah, yes. 3/4 of a cup.
Yeah.
And by this time our pasta is ready. You can take out the pasta from the boiler.
Yeah, you can drain out your pasta and keep it ready at the side. You don't want to put too much water, it becomes like a soup. So
yep, just a little bit water so it's not too dry.
Correct, mate.
Alright, looks like everything's ready. Now the pasta can go in.
Yeah.
That's it. Toss it a little bit.
Yeah.
Make sure everything is mixed. And yeah, I think this is a good recipe that you gave me today. Looks good, easy to make. Thanks for the recipe, eh?
And it's healthy.
Yeah, I think it's healthy.
Healthy.
Sure it is, yeah.
And this can get you lots of greens. So here you go. Enjoy.
Thanks.
Thanks, guys.